Hey champs! Welcome to Social Champ's all-new and improved workspace feature. The new workspace will help you streamline and manage your tasks with more ease and efficiency. In this video, we'll learn how to create new workspaces. So let's begin. To create a workspace, first, log into your Social Champ account. You will land on the content dashboard by default. Drag your cursor to the top left of the screen and click the workspace drop-down. You have the option to create a new workspace in the drop-down by clicking the Add New button, or you can select View All Workspaces. Then, in the next window, click Create New. Step 1 is to set a name for your workspace. Then upload a picture to personalize it. Uploading a picture is a personal preference. You can proceed without uploading one as well. Then click Next. Step 2 is to select the social media accounts you would like to add to this workspace. Click the box to release a drop-down menu where first you will see a list of all your social media accounts connected with Social Champ and the workspace they're added to. If you would like to add or remove a social account from a different workspace to the new workspace, simply tick the checkbox next to the social accounts. Please note, the social media account can only be present in one workspace at a time. If you're moving a social media account from one workspace to another, a red arrow icon will show up. Click Next. A pop-up window will appear to confirm your choices. Click the Confirm button to proceed. Step 3 is to select the team members you want to add to the workspace. Click the drop-down to see a list of all your team members. Simply tick the checkbox next to the members' names, and they will be added to the workspace. You can further edit the team by assigning them preferred roles. Please note, the admin team member will be able to manage team workspaces, social accounts, recycle auto RSS, and post calendar. The editor team members will be able to do everything as an admin except managing team. The author role team member can only manage posts. You can select the social accounts the author can interact with by ticking the checkbox, and also opt in for post approvals for those selected social media accounts by switching the toggle on. Once done, click the Finish button to save your new workspace. Great work! Now you know how to create a new workspace. Visit our channel to find more tutorials related to workspace and a bunch of other features. Happy scheduling, champs!